I feel so bad kasi dapat sabay kami magsisimbang gabi ni Nathaniel kanina. Pero hindi nagising si Mama, so hindi rin ako nagising. Nagising kami 6 na. Si Mama mas maaga pa doon. Tapos naligo siya, tapos ginising niya ako. What's up, guys? It's me, Pearly, the one and only. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Hey guys, welcome to another Pearl's Missing vlog. So for context, yesterday, parang year-end party ng mga funders ng Manila Blazing Paddles sa Paranaque. And sinamahan ko si Mama. And then, nakauwi kami 12 na. Hindi kami nakaabot sa anticipated simbang gabi. Sabi ni Mama, nandun ako sa 4 a.m. Pero, hindi nga siya nagising. And hindi ako nag-alarm. Kasi I was so confident na si Mama, magigising siya and gisingin niya ako. But it's my fault because I'm already 16 years old. Kasi inaasa ko pa to sa nanay ko, diba? Kasi ilang beses na ito nangyari. Especially in Saguan training na hindi nagising si Mama and malalate na kami, so hindi lang kami tumuloy. So now, kailangan ko I should take this as a lesson that I need to be more responsible. Ano ba yan? Wala pang 7 a.m. Meron na kami pending task. People, they make appointments, they make schedules. There's a rendezvous for a reason. And kung hindi mo yun sinunod, a lot of things can go unplanned. For example, meron palang dapat puntahan yung isang tao afterwards. So, kung hindi siya nakapunta doon, it would be your fault kasi late ka at hinintay ka nila, diba? And that's something that annoys me, unpunctuality. And I hate super late people. Yung talagang on a regular basis, they don't do what they say. Ayoko niyan. Yung mga nagpaplano tas hindi itutuloy, ayoko niyan. So me, ngayon na ginawa ko to, I feel so like, bro, why? If only I can reverse time, hindi na lang ako matutulog. Kung alam ko rin na hindi ako makakapagsimbang gabi and meron akong naabalak tao, diba? Ayoko nang pinaghihintay ako, ayoko nang pinapaasa ako, ayoko ng mga ganun. So, me accidentally doing it to someone else, I feel so bad. And Nathaniel Sai, bravo. I'm super duper sorry. I hope you forgive me, my favorite friend. So I went downstairs and I ate a few cow cheese wafers. So now, nagda-notes muna ako sa DIS kasi meron kaming activity. So my phone, nag-charge siya pero paurong. Kung mapapansin nyo on my Instagram, yung note ko doon, ito. Tapos, nag-post pa ako ng shorts sa YouTube ng kantang yan. Then, nagti-TikTok pa ako sa kantang yan. Kasama ko pa yung mga kaklase ko. So, yeah, may bago na naman akong crush. And I meant by bago na namang crush. Yung crush ko, siya pa rin. Crush ko lang ulit siya. Kasi nagkaroon ng parang 1 week na hindi ko siya ganun ka-crush. Pero, crush ko na ulit siya. Can you see that? That's a very messy background over there. I'm gonna break it down for you. Ito, mga notebooks ko. Ito, plastic. And then we have here napkin. And then this is a sandal from Tita Luz. Tita Luz is one of our seniors in our Saguan team. At the back, it says, Puerto Princesa, a city of paradise. This is like one of her sandals when she competed, if I'm not mistaken. Also have another like fitness shirt from our coach. It's also color blue, but for our training our dress code is always black and red, so I don't get to wear them as much. So when I start jogging with Ate Anjik or with my mom, I'm just gonna wear those fitness clothes so they will not go to waste. I-edit ako ng thumbnail ko for my vlog na i-upload ko and na-realize ko ang dami kong hindi na kwento doon. So on December 1, Christmas party of MVP and Marian Grand Procession. The next week, the following week, yung nag-race. And then next, hindi, basta throughout that week may nangyayari. And then basta oh my gosh, nakakalimutan ko na. Pero ang dami kong photos. So, maybe after this clip, I'll just create like a photo dump of the start of December. Kasi ang dami nangyayari ngayong December, guys. I have made a decision na lahat ng pending tasks ko, kung hindi ko gagawin on Thursday or on Friday, next year ko nang gagawin. I don't care when the deadline is, next year ko na yan gagawin. Malate man ako or hindi, I need to prioritize my procrastination. Naalala nyo last July, sobrang sakit ng tiyan ko. Kinuwento ko yun sa vlog ko, pero hindi ko vlog yung pain. Na-experience ko siya ulit, yung sakit. From December 10 until 2 days ago, sobrang sakit ng tiyan ko. Sobrang sakit talaga. At first, I thought I had indigestion, which is what I probably experienced. Next, I thought I had ulcer. Next, I thought I had internal bleeding. And last, I thought I had stomach cancer. Pero ngayon, hindi na siya masakit. Hindi na siya kumikirot. Nothing hurts anymore. The only thing is, hindi ako pwede kumain ng sobrang dami or yung mabundat agad. Kasi sumasakit talaga siya. Plus, my poop is not desirable or... desirable ba ang poop, diba? Pero yung poop ko, hindi siya normal. I honestly think that I'm suffering for indigestion, especially that recently I've been like once a week drinking Mango Float Supreme and I need to stop that because it's honestly unhealthy. Isa pa palang nangyari sa buhay ko. Ninang na ako ngayon! You're now looking at the brand new Ninang of the Philippines! I'm done taking a shower. Naglalagay ako ng sunscreen right now. I'm gonna meet Bravo at church ng 6:30 a.m. Then, mag-uwi kami dito. Then, magsisimba kami ng simbang gabi. Anticipated. Seryoso na to this time. Sayang, hindi ko na kompleto yung 9 nights. Tomorrow, Christmas party namin sa school and magdadala ako ng carbonara. It's crazy. Christmas party na agad. So, see you at church. Check for today's... Ayun yung buhok ko. Matino naman yung buhok ko, diba? Medyo matino naman siya. Or... okay na yan. Kahit pag ganyan-ganyan siya. Kunwari na lang maayos siya. Ito yung fit ko for today. Ayan. I got my rosary. Alam niyo ba? Meron kami ni Ai kasi. Umatan kami ng World Youth Day. 2023. Tapos may poging sacristan dun. Nag-serve. Tapos, yung poging sacristan na yun, sa ano pala siya? Yung scope. Ay, nako. Parabs. Okay. And mag-time-lapse tayo.
Okay.
Itong kinakwento.
Life story.
Okay.
Okay. So, di ba nga ganyan?
Buksan mo nga.
Buksan ko lang. Buksan mo nga.
Tape yan, naka-tape pa. Ano pang isa? Ano kinuha mo? Anong kulay? Yung green?
Ata. Hindi ko lalamin.
Okay, ito.
Oo, isa. Ate, hindi yung sabi pa kayo. Ate, yung sabi.
Yung pang-pandasa.
A woman stepped into the street and began to dance uncontrollably in 1518. She danced for days without stopping, and soon others joined her. Over 50 people were swept up in the bizarre dancing.
Been a bad girl, I guess I'm getting cold. Oh,
You like yung story ko? Kasi yung mukha ko yun.
let me come warm you up.
Ang kapal ng mukha eh. Hindi yun in order, syempre. Hindi yun in order, pero please, joy, love, hope.
Hope.
Di ba?
Joy.
Love, di ba?
Ano ibig sabihin ng...
Huwag pababa, pangit ako pababa.
Ganyan.
Pwede na.
That is it for this vlog, guys. Hope you liked it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you next live. Bye.
Saan na lang?
Linis muna kayo! Ano kayo?
Wala.